It is simply a good time to see you. Welcome to the very first SnakeBoy short. Today, I'm gonna show you this. A flying helicopter lighty ball thing. Fly! Fly! Wow. That was a fail. We're gonna try this again. Let's see if we can get better. Fly! That was almost completely even. Come on, third time is the charm. Just gonna do it nice and low. Yeah. Oh, this is. I was gonna say that this is better, but nope. It was anything but better, actually. Let's. Ow, my actual foot! Ah. You trying to cut off my foot, cuz? Trying to cut off my foot? Let's do it again. Fly, fly, high in the... You can redeem yourself after that lousy landing. Come on. Redemption. Now you need double redemption. Make it to the door at least. Oh flip, I hope I didn't break it there. Oh my gosh. A massive crack in the blade. Oh my gosh. Why'd that have to happen? Why? We're just getting into some fun. I guess that's gonna wrap up the short. Subscribe. See ya.